Alright, we're going to solve a rational equation. This is how we're going to do it. Let's copy down the equations right here. Y over 2. And I'm going to leave the space. And I'm going to put down plus 4 over y minus 4. I'm going to leave the space again. That's equal to y over y minus 4. Y over y minus 4. Alright, that's pretty much my setup.
The key to solve a rational equation is we have to look for the lowest common denominator. And the denominator in this case are 2, y minus 4, and y minus 4. So we can determine our LCD, which is going to be, I need a 2, and then I just need one of the y minus 4. So it's 2 times y minus 4. Let us multiply everything by the LCD. That's why I left a space earlier. Let's multiply the first part with 2 times y minus 4. The second part, 2 times y minus 4. And likewise for this part right here, let's multiply 2 times y minus 4. And as you can see, this 2 and that 2 will cancel, and this y minus 4 and that y minus 4 will cancel, and this y minus 4 will cancel out with that y minus 4. Then what we need to do is we have to make sure we distribute the number or the variable in front of the parentheses. So in this case, we have to distribute the y into the parentheses, and let us work this out. Y times y give us the y squared, y times negative 4, that's minus 4y. And on the second part, we just have positive 4 times 2, which is plus 8. That equals to, here I only have y times 2, that will be 2y. Okay? And because this is a quadratic equation, since we have y to the second power, let us minus 2y on both sides. I need to make one side equal to 0, and then I will try to factor it. I will get y squared minus 6y plus 8 equals to 0. And to factor this out, you are going to get y minus 2 times y minus 4 is equal to 0. And we have to set the first parenthesis, y minus 2 to be 0. And the second parenthesis, y minus 4 to be 0.
And after you do that, you can just work this out regularly. I can add 2 on both sides, cancel this out, and I will end up with y is equal to 2 for the first part. And likewise for the second part, I will just have to plus 4 here, cancel this out. I will end up with y is equal to 4.
So far so good, alright? However, whenever you have a rational equation, you must check your answers. You need to make sure that none of these answers will make the denominator 0. If so, you are going to get a bad answer. Notice that if you do plug in this answer, y is equal to 4, into the original equation, you're going to end up with 4 minus 4 right here. And that's going to be bad because dividing by 0 is not defined. So that's a violation. This is a bad answer. I'm just going to put bad answer. Because once again, the 4 will make the denominator 0. And therefore, our only answer to this equation is y is equal to 2. The one that we got right here. This is the only answer that we have. And that's it.